Rainelle Route 60 frontage, great location in business downtown area. Auto repair / car sales / motorcycle shop / detail shop / quick lube and tire / trailer sales / transmission shop. Block 26 by 69 building with 16 by 30 addition. 4 large garage doors. This is a turnkey business. Move right in and start your business. Reception area, bathroom and kitchen, new HVAC, 3 lifts, 1 to 15,000 drive lift, 1 to 12,000 double post lift, -9,000 lift, and new 80-gallon phase 2 air compressor, parts washer and 55-gallon part washer solvent tank will be included in the sale.